English?
I need a drink.
Well, come sit with me and my friends.
Leave with me.
Really?
Come on.
여기 병든 엄마를 간호하는 한 남자가 있습니다.
Do you want to hear a joke? Shopkeeper receives flowers at the opening where it says, "Rest in peace." So he calls up the florist angry. And she said, "At least you weren't the one who got flowers at your wife's funeral. Congratulations on the new location." I love you.
I love you too, Ma. Need more morphine? Do you want me to call a priest? I want you to know I think you two were amazing. And I'm grateful for everything.
오랜 투병 끝에 엄마는 숨을 거두셨고 장례식을 마치고 일을 하던 바에 앉아 있는데
You know, if that was a real small funeral.
They were only children. I mean, their parents died young.
I'm gonna have Shitty Carl try to cover your shift. I'm gonna call Carl. Sorry about your mom.
I gotta take a piss.
Watch where the fuck you going, man?
Sorry.
Yeah, y'all fucked up, huh?
남자가 싸움을 걸어오자 주먹을 날리는 에반.
Fuck, Evan, Jesus Christ, brother.
Are you guys fucking serious? Holy shit. I mean, holy fucking shit. The cops were here, guy. You almost fucking murdered the guy. Look, man, you need to change up your environment
Are
yourself.
you telling me that I'm fired, Mike?
He's not saying that. Mike, you wouldn't.
I'm not saying you're fired. He said he can't work here anymore, man.
Evan, wait.
All right, I don't need you to fucking follow me home, Tom.
Hold up, man. You should talk to Dale about construction gigs.
Dale? He's been unemployed since June, man.
그런데 바로 그때
I know where you live now, bitch. Hey, why don't you just go back to fucking East County, you fucking tweakers.
Then they'll come back here with baseball bats.
Why don't you just lock the doors? I'll call you tomorrow. You gonna be all right?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna be all right?
Yep.
다음 날 아침 경찰이 그의 방문을 두드리고 에반은 겁이 나 떠나기로 하는데
Book me on the next flight. Or when is the next flight?
그가 온 곳은 이탈리아의 한 관광도시. 혼자 다니며 혼술을 하던 에반. 한 호프집으로 들어가는데
Where you from?
California.
Well, join us for a drink, pal.
Yeah, come on, man. Come and sit down. Have a drink, guys.
Go on, get him a drink. Go on. Let's see if the Yank can fucking keep up, eh?
We're going to hire a car tomorrow. Go down the coast. Want to chip in with some petrol?
Next thing you know, I got punched in the face, mate. Woke up 3 done fucking done me. Crap, I smashed him, mate. With a bottle in the face.
어느새 에반이 운전대를 잡고 있고 아름다운 광경이 눈앞에 펼쳐지자 알 수 없는 눈물이 한 줄기 흘러내리고
Birds, eh? Fucking birds. You're lucky I'm here, pal. Because most men don't share their emotions like I do.
이탈리아의 아름다운 해변 도시 지중해와 맞닿아 있는 한 마을에 도착하는데 그리고 그곳에서 아름다운 여인을 만나게 됩니다.
Yanks, right?
Yeah, everyone hates Americans. I get it. I'm an evil
You
imperialist.
don't play rugby, that's the problem. I've barely seen you drink 5 of those.
All right, I'll get the next round.
Yeah, go on, mate.
Nice one. Thanks, Evan.
한참을 지켜보다 그녀에게 다가가 말을 걸게 되는데
English?
I need a drink.
Well, come sit with me and my friends.
Leave with me.
Really?
Come on.
What are you doing?
Trying to have fun.
Go out with me tomorrow night.
No.
Are you a prostitute?
You want me to be?
Well, this is a fucked up act you have, but are you gonna rob me?
Nah, you look poor.
You're the most attractive person I've ever seen. I'd still like to grab coffee or something sometime.
You made this so much more complicated to be.
Bottle of wine. Maybe.
Oh, no. You're fun. Oi, we're leaving, mate. Oi. Good times, mate. Good times.
다음 날 아침 친구들은 떠나지만 에반은 그곳에 남기로 하는데 운 좋게 숙식을 제공하는 일자리를 발견하고
Scusa? Is this room still available?
Have you ever worked on farm?
No.
Come on. Hot
and cold.
Got it. Thanks.
We cover the trees, and once a week we gather for the olive press.
Is that your wife?
Yes,
Is she here?
car accident.
I'm very sorry to hear that.
그리고 혼자서 여행을 계속하는 에반. 그때 그녀가 지나가는 것을 메인 눈으로 캐치하고
What did you want to know?
Do you remember my name?
You never told me. Scusa. I'm Evan.
Louise.
All right, one last time, and I'll let you go. Will you go out with me?
I don't know.
I was a cook. Now I'm a farmer. How do you do it?
I don't. I'm a student. I'm studying evolutionary genetics. It's...
Great scam you pulled, having the university pay for you to live here, though.
I know, right?
I need caffeine.
왠지 남다른 그녀와 데이트 잡기에 성공한 에반.
I know. I'm a child. I'm immature.
I was just going to say we're all human.
You don't sound Italian. Are you really from around here?
Not far. But then I studied in America for a while.
Where?
New York?
I've never been there.
I love Mexico. I went there with my ex on a boat. He wrote me very romantic love letters. And he was so much fun to drink wine with.
Let's get a bottle of wine.
You have to write me a letter first.
한참 동안 그녀에게 줄 연애 편지를 쓰는데 다행히 그녀의 마음에 들었나 봅니다.
I'm still jet lagged.
Thanks for the wine. Did you like being a cook?
No.
Yeah, right. You want to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Into that cave! Yeah. No. I bet it's haunted by dead sailors. And Evans are nice.
You do like me then.
Maybe. Bunch of confusing biochemistry and some crazy hormones.
젊음이라는 호르몬 때문일까요? 두 사람은 점점 사랑에 빠지기 시작하고 루이스의 집에서 밤을 같이 보내게 됩니다. 그런데 마치 괴물처럼 일그러져 있는 그녀의 얼굴. 혼자 일어난 에반. 오늘 해야 할 일을 마치고 그녀에게 연락이 닿지 않아 혼자 시간을 보냅니다. 햇빛을 받자 그녀의 피부가 변하고 익숙하게 주사를 놓는 그녀. 루이스를 찾으러 돌아다니는 에반. 전날 밤에 그녀가 죽인 고양이인지도 모르고 지나갑니다. 드디어 그녀를 발견했는데
Fuck, this town is small, huh? Snuck out last night.
And who are you?
Evan, the guy you slept with last night.
Sorry, I don't recall.
그녀의 짓궂은 장난에 울컥하고
Oh, that's fucked up.
다시 가까워진 두 사람. 그녀의 집으로 향하게 되는데
Bob and Sally. I rescued them from a lab that was done with them. You like to adopt them?
Nah, I'm good.
You should quit smoking.
그런데 바로 그때
Would you mind watching the soup?
어딘가 아파 보이는 그녀. 그녀의 모습이 또다시 흉측하게 변하고 주사를 맞고는 원래 모습으로 돌아오는데
Soup's ready.
Just a second.
I'm going to the beach on Sunday. Seriously, do you want to go with me?
I can't. I'm taking medication that makes my skin sun sensitive.
So, I only get to see you at night. I gotta go to work.
Thank you, Sam. Like.
새벽에 출근하던 에바는 욕실에서 우연히 주사기를 발견합니다.
I've been seeing this Italian girl. She's really pretty, but she acts kind of weird sometimes, and I found something that gives me...
Italian women, the best.
It's amazing you're picking it up so quickly.
No, it's nothing like that.
수상한 그녀의 행동을 추궁하는데
Hey,
What?
this morning I found a used syringe on your bathroom.
Okay, it's not drugs. I have a medical condition that comes.
I didn't think I'd do something really corny, right? But I'd really like a picture with you.
그런데 사진을 찍자는 말에 그녀의 표정이 좋지 않고
Scusa. Scusa. Okay, that's it. You moved.
기분이 상한 루이스.
You just want to come here, fuck a foreign girl, and show your stupid friend the picture.
That doesn't even make any sense.
한참 동안 그녀를 쫓아가며 설득하던 에반.
had was my mom and dad. My dad died suddenly of a heart attack. My mom was diagnosed with cancer a few months after that. I came home from college a couple years ago to take care of her, and she died last week.
Wow. I mean, that's horrible.
No shit. I'm mad at something for doing that to them, making me put my life on hold while I worked at the same shitty bar I grew up thinking I never want to end up at.
Do you feel like an orphan farmer?
No, but I feel like a grown-ass man who misses his parents.
Sociopath for worrying about what I'm doing for work.
I like you. Well, you better before. He's got the same backstory as Batman. So.
속 깊은 대화로 두 사람은 서로를 좀 더 이해하게 되는데요.
Okay, let's see. Did you know I have two different color eyes?
오드 아이를 갖고 있는 루이스.
Your eyes are beautiful.
You're not very creative.
이렇게 두 사람은 점점 더 가까워지지만
Grazie, signor Filippo.
Cos'è questo odore terribile?
루이스의 상태는 점점 더 악화되고 아픈 몸을 이끌고 아무도 없는 동굴을 찾은 루이스.
Sorry, silly.
그녀는 고통스러워하고 있습니다.
Long bad day.
Feel it?
다정하게 그녀를 챙기는 에반.
Oh, I might be sick. You may not want to get too close.
I read that this is what you do when a girl gets sick. What happened to Bob and Sally?
I don't want to talk about it.
You want some?
Thanks.
Want some water?
Vino.
Vino.
그리고 다음 날
Hi.
Oh my God.
Come on, faster, Evan,
Can you
faster.
swim if we sink? This looks like magic.
Looks like stuff in nature you haven't figured out yet. There are some others that tours go to, but this one is a secret.
Yes.
Really?
괜찮아진 듯 했지만 그녀의 상태는 다시 나빠지고 일이 있다며 황급하게 자리를 떠나는데 그녀가 술에 취했다고 생각한 한 관광객.
Hey, I have weed in my hotel room.
Much to suck my dick?
하지만 무서운 괴물의 모습인 그녀. 다음 날 관광객의 시체가 발견되고 에반을 거절하려던 그녀.
Can I come in?
Well, a minute if you really have to. I didn't sleep. Don't even know how much you need me to tell you this. We can't see each other anymore. And I have some things I need to work through without being in a relationship.
Like, if you're freaked out and you need some space, that's fine.
No. I'd really rather not explain what's the problem.
That's it. So I leave here and it's like you and I never happened. We never see each other again. Okay. I want you to know something. Take it or leave it. I think you could be the love of my life. All right.
에반도 이제 이 마을을 떠나려 마음을 먹고
Take it off, Angelo.
Ciao.
Angelo? I wanted to say thank you. I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay here, but I want you to know that I appreciate all this.
No, niente.
혼술을 하러 온 에반. 하지만 그녀를 잊지 못하고 다시 그녀의 집으로 가게 되는데 어지러져 있는 방을 보고 놀라 들어가는데 이상한 괴물이 누워있는 것을 보고 깜짝 놀라지만 직감적으로 주사 바늘을 그녀에게 꽂게 됩니다.
Are you a vampire, werewolf, zombie, witch, or alien?
Human.
But explain it to me.
Evan, come. Evan, that is me. Painting almost 2,000 years ago.
This is the crazy I can't handle.
사실 루이스는 2000년 동안 살아온 존재. 그런데 임신을 하게 되면 새로 생성되는 배아세포로 스스로의 몸을 바꿔버리고 영원한 삶을 살아가는 존재였는데요.
Bunch of confusing biochemistry and some crazy hormones.
몸을 새 세포로 바꾸는 7일 동안 몸이 썩고 과거 진화 과정에 있었던 생물로 변화하며 닥치는 대로 죽이는 힘든 과정을 겪어야 하는 것이었어요. 그녀의 최종 변이가 하루밖에 남지 않은 상황.
I've been giving it to myself. There are things I have found out in the last 2 decades. They replicate for a long time and can be used to heal or maintain your whole body.
That's what you are? You're like Newsweek Fountain of Youth cells or something?
Before my body uses the cells, it goes crazy. I rot. I turn to creatures from our evolutionary past. Something is off, and I thought I can control it, but fuck, I got
다리가 또 변하고 있는데
cat brains and rabbit intestines, testicles.
Well, you use those.
I do, but they aren't as effective. Please stop walking away.
Give me a
please.
minute.
너무 큰 충격을 받은 에반. 그런데 바로 그때 죽은 아내의 사진을 보며 슬퍼하는 엔젤로 할아버지를 보고 에반은 루이스를 잃고 싶지 않다는 생각을 합니다. 서로를 위한 해결책을 찾고 싶은 에반.
It's complicated, obviously, but
It's something chemical. Pheromones.
I've seen this at its worst, right? And I can deal with that part.
In a day, I'll be someone else, and Evan, you should get far to keep all your stuff attached.
Let's use the time we have. I'd regret it if we didn't take this to its end.
You like the sex and all that?
You smell good. 7 days from getting pregnant, my body metabolizes the cells, and that's in about a day. The transformations are getting way worse, and I can't control them.
You know, you get until Earth dies, I get one more day with you.
Evan, maybe we should just rip the Band-Aid off before a fucking scaredy panda strips off your...
So spend it with me on a road trip.
You saw me all fucked up, and you're still here.
두 사람은 루이스의 고향인 나폴리로 향하고 그녀가 변하는 과정을 함께 겪고 이탈리아의 아름다운 광경을 보며 마지막 하루를 같이 하는데
Let's see, I got you pregnant. You can use those embryo cells to heal fast and live forever. And I find it amazing that I even understood half of what you said.
I've always been a student of science, but it's pretty, and I like the rituals. And even if I knew I'm supernatural, it doesn't prove anything about...
Fear of the unknown makes a lot of really pretty stuff, though. Louis, did you bring your shots? Do it here. Don't get up.
Okay.
머리를 뽑힐지도 모르는 위기에 처한 에반.
So I catch a train to Germany in the 1930s.
이번에도 겨우 위기를 모면하고 박물관에서 그녀의 오래전 그림도 발견.
You look so different.
Oh, yeah.
So you really hated being martyred, huh?
I was just a peasant posing for the scene.
I saw this on the Learning Channel. It was a bomb shelter during World War II. What happens when this goes down? How much time do you have left?
Until the equinox.
If you stay with me, I'll give something up too.
So you want to spend the rest of your life with me?
How do you choose to use your adult cells? Or
Oxytocin. It's the hormone that makes women fall in love and get maternal. If it were high enough survival reaction. I'm not sure.
에반은 과학자인 그녀와의 대화를 통해 사랑에 빠지게 하는 호르몬인 옥시토신 분비가 활성화되면 줄기세포의 사용은 차단되고 그녀가 지금의 모습 그대로 남을 수도 있다는 사실을 알게 되는데
You're still not in love with me?
또 머리를 뽑힐 뻔했습니다.
Last syringe. You still want this? I want to show you where I grew up.
If you love me, then there's this hormone, and you'll stay the same?
In theory, yeah.
I know I'm in love with you. So you've never been in love before? Not in thousands of years.
I'm not a sociopath, okay? I just had really bad luck. The entire city was buried by the volcano.
2000년 전 화산 폭발이 있었던 아름다운 폼베이.
And
What?
this is my father, my mother, and my little brother. It's 2,000 years ago, so I'm doing fine. Oxytocin case study. I got it from her. She gave it all up for me and my father.
Well, at least you got the same backstory as Harry Potter. That's pretty cool.
One last thing you should know. Right before I transform, that monster is gonna be the biggest and sharpest. Just run really fast.
You ever wonder what life is like in the finite?
Terrifying all the time.
Isn't it scary losing that? You never got lonely?
Not since I met you. What are you doing?
Begging.
그녀의 변이 시간이 얼마 남지 않아 위험한 상황.
Tell me more about the finite.
에반은 그녀의 곁을 지키며 유한한 인생을 살더라도
They're just beautiful.
루이스가 자신과 함께하기를 간절하게 바라는데요.
So many. Let's see. When you're sick, it makes you feel lucky for all the times when you were healthy. So you better fucking enjoy them. Some pizza and a bottle of wine with the right person, that can make the shittiest day. Coffee dates take up a pretty good chunk of your time, but
이제 아침 해가 뜨기 시작하고
maybe that's chemical.
괴물로 변하는 루이스의 소리가 들리는데
Life probably seems short no matter what.
죽음을 각오한 순간 그런데 루이스는 에반과 사랑에 빠졌다는 것을 깨달으며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 스프링이었습니다. 그럼 오늘도 좋은 밤 되세요. 안녕.